YouTube channel. So today we will be making avocado milkshake. For this you will need 1 avocado, some milk, some sugar, and it's optional if you want to top it off with some vanilla ice cream. So let's get straight into it. So the first step is to cut your avocado into small cubes. So this is something you want it to look like. So once you've cut your avocado into like the small cube shapes, you can straight away just scoop it into your mixing bowl. So once you've got your avocados in your mixtures cup, take your milk and pour 3 cups of milk. So once you've put your milk into the mixtures bowl, you can add some sugar as per your taste. So I like to put around 1 tablespoon of sugar into my avocado milkshake. So now that we've got everything into our mixtures bowl, it's time to mix it. So now our avocado milkshake is done. It's time to serve. So this recipe usually serves about 3 glasses of this size. So I think it's a really easy and a quick thing you could make if you have any guests coming or just in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you loved this recipe. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss on any single video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!